What's up, tube? Family, friends, how y'all doing? Well, I'm about to put on another part of my floor in the 1970 Firebird, and I'll just show y'all where I'm at. You know, this is not I already told y'all, so I ain't gotta explain to you. So this is for the kids. All right, now, it's all right. This idea I had to, I don't know how long it's gonna last. So what I'm gonna do is, after I get it clean, I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna weld it down. I'm gonna weld as much as I possibly can. I'm not gonna try to do it perfectly, but I'm gonna make sure that it's sticking to the metal below. But that's pretty solid. Now these big old holes here, and these little small tiny holes. It's gonna be some serious welding going on there. I wish I had a rotisserie. I would turn it upside down and weld from up under that too. Which I think that I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to weld it from the other side. I shouldn't even worry about welding all the way through, because these are not designed to stick to the bottom. But what I'll do is I'll make it hard enough, that weld in here hard enough, so when I do get up under the bottom and weld it, because I'm going to do that, the Lord let me, then I'll be welding to this weld here. And I should do the same here on these. Just go ahead and weld it through, and then I'll get to the other side. Weld it on there. Hopefully. If not, these will be alright, because these don't go all the way through. These don't go all the way through. I just don't want moisture to get in there. This around here, man, I might put a rod in there. Weld that shut. It's going to have to be something serious going there. Just a rod. I can put a rod in there and weld it shut. Got these here. Really got to go down. We'll have to hammer the shit out of that. Something. Anyway, this mother hubba is in here, mother hubba. What's up, Uncle Miner? Uncle Miner, that's my daddy's brother. Baby brother. Miner married Massey. That's where I learned all this stuff from. Although I never saw him do this, but I know that he do stuff like this. And I remember seeing them hammering and fixing on stuff. So I have an idea. He learned. He taught me a lot. So if you can do this kind of stuff, sons, daughters, or something like it, something with your hands or singing, whatever, whatever you do to make you happy, you should do it, but don't, hold off on trying to make money on it, because this shit is hard work. It's fun, but it's hard work. Hard work. Most of the time, anything that's fun is hard work to make money off of, usually. So, I said before I will do any welding or anything, I'll just put all my floors in and come back, clean up, weld, and after I weld, then put some of that, what do you call that stuff? That's fiberglass stuff on there. Then after I put that fiberglass stuff on there, no, I'm gonna put the fiberglass stuff on there first. Put that other stuff on there first, that black chassis saver on there, then put the fiberglass on there. Yeah, like that. Then, after you put that fiberglass on there, sand it down, smooth it down, just make it look a little presentable. It ain't got to be perfect and stuff, but you don't want all this lump stuff coming up, in case you have somebody do your carpet. They look at it, damn, what the fuck did you do? Anyway, hell. So I'm getting ready to do the front now. So I forgot how to do the last one. I didn't even do the video, but I know now that I should just go home and prepare, since I've got it all cut in. I've already done. You saw me do the last side like that. I've done all my holes already. And now I was getting ready to put these plates on, so I can pull the two together, let them cure. And I'm thinking about putting some hardener in that liquid nails. Some of that hardener. that we use in fiberglass. I'm gonna see what happens with that. Anyway, then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side that I did on this side. I just wanted to give y'all an update, let y'all know where I'm at. You know, it's this Saturday, May 27th, 2017. So, 1970 Firebird. What's up? Good Memorial Day, or is it Happy Memorial Day, or with remembrance of all the people that left us and the ones that we care about now that are going to leave us, or possibly, and even ourselves. Memorial Day, to remember all those people that we love that are gone. So many of them, but the one that I think of the most is my sister Darlene. So, you know, and whoever you think about, whatever you think about them all, you know. Grandparents, uncles, cousins, you know, lots of them. Eddie, you know, all y'all, you know. Hey, what's up? I'm in the world. Y'all don't know Eddie, but y'all, Eddie's my cousin. That's my mother's sister's son, Eddie Ferguson. So anyway, yeah, God's rest his soul and his brother, you know. Y'all find out who they are, you know. Find out who they are, yeah. But anyway, signing off. Talk to y'all later.